You know that's right.
What's up, what's up, what's up, YouTube land and fellow entrepreneurs all across the world? It's your girl, ChinnaE, back to you live and in color once again with yet another one. So, I want to talk to you again today about smart FBA income. That is smart FBA income. Okay, so basically, this site in so many words is basically amazing. Okay, so basically it's such an amazing spot to learn how to really utilize everything Amazon has to offer as far as making money from Amazon. Okay, so inside, Mr. Duncan McPherson not only teaches American knowledge of how to sell efficiently on Amazon, but he also teaches those who are from Canada as well. Okay, so he just doesn't teach United States, he teaches Canada's people as well. Okay, so smart FBA income is top #1 in its ranking, and it's definitely a force to be reckoned with, especially if you like Amazon. Okay, and you, as we all know, Amazon is a force to be reckoned with within its own self. Okay, this is a branch of Amazon. Okay, and to teach you how to really dominate and master making that money from Amazon every which way. Okay, so, and if you like to explore making easy money from home with all Amazon has to offer as far as work is concerned, because there is more than one money-making program inside of Amazon alone, is what you should know. People just see, oh, I could be a seller or a buyer. No, there's way more in Amazon you could do to make money. They have way more programs than eBay. That's for sure. If you didn't know, now you know. Okay, so take your time with this one because there's a lot to learn within this program, basically teaching you how to make that Amazon money. So if you love Amazon, you'll love smartfbaincome.com. That is smartfbaincome.com. Okay, so there you have it. Work with that. Get that in your arsenal if you are a seller selling from eBay and Amazon, or if you wanted to know more about Amazon's workforce, basically wanting to take advantage of all of what a seller can get with this. Okay, and hit that link down there. Make sure you go ahead, check it out, and take advantage of the opportunity, because it's there for you to grip. It's there for you to get, okay?
You know that's right.
So, it's your girl, ChinnaE, basically. And remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl, ChinnaE, out here on these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And stay tuned, because there's always more in store for you guys. Check out my blog, because there's always more in store for you guys. Check it out. Hit me up in my comments. You need help? Let me know. Don't be afraid to reach out. Let me know. Alright, so it's your girl ChinnaE. I'll see you guys in the next video explaining the next legit work from home or paid program affiliate marketing site out here to you guys next. Okay, so go ahead and hit it up. I'll see you in the next one.